by for a message from the United Nations.
This is a global emergency declared by the United Nations. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Nations in conjunction with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is a global emergency message requested by the United Nations. All broadcast stations shall transmit this global emergency message.
The United Nations has issued a global emergency message for the following counties or areas. North America. At 2:50 p.m. October 20th, 2026, effective until further notice. The presidential representative's message goes as follows. My fellow Americans, this is the representative of the President speaking to you all for the final time. This is a national emergency message, number 3, black card. This is not a test. I say once again, this is not a test. It is very important to pay attention that this is pertaining to an ongoing global state of emergency. The 3 individuals have now reached at its maximum level. These individuals are now using all of its powerful attack and once in every country of the world. It just believes that these attacks have hit these countries of Mexico, Canada, Japan, the United Kingdom, Australia, and of course the United States. We have a force of military power as well as our old allies to fight these individuals, but the Euro rage is too powerful. They used a lot of powerful attacks on all of our friends. But we also tried many attempts to send Nora, Max, and Hank to fight these individuals, but that did not work as planned, and all of them were killed instantly. We are afraid to say this, but all attempts have failed, and there is no other way to stop the clash of the Thundermans' wrath. The 3 individuals are now using all of their powerful levels as this world continues to fall apart. Ladies and gentlemen, I hate to say this, but this is the end of the world. There is no reason to remain calm, go into panic mode. All residents of the United States along with the rest of the world are now urged to gather with our loved ones, and live our final moments together. Pray to your God or God if you are a part of religion and repent. Thank you for your existence on this planet. It's been a great planet for about 19 billion years, and it will soon become a wasteland. We are now going to conclude this final broadcast with one last playing of the national anthem. After that, all television and radio stations will shut down. This is the message from the presidential representative from United States signing off for the final time. Goodbye and may God bless you all during our final hours on planet Earth.
That was a message from the United Nations. We will now return you to the emergency alert system.
This concludes all operations under the Global Emergency Alert System. We will now sign off with the playing of your national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude this final activation of the Emergency Alert System.